My name is Ruth Jones and really proud to be Kaiwhakahaere for Hei Whakapiki Mauri. Hei Whakapiki Mauri has been rolling now for about 6 years, and we're proud to be a whānau order entity within Waipounamu and to be supported by Te Pūtahitanga. Gary and I started Hei Whakapiki Mauri off. We're Māori, we have lived experience of disability, we've worked hard to build a good life for ourselves. We wanted to pay it forward to other people and pass on that Māori.
Kia ora te whānau, my name's Wayne Green. I'm Kai Tahu and proud of it. I'd never grown nothing before. For the first year I'd done it, I was just so rapt that I actually got into it, thanks to Hei Whakapiki Mauri and what they've done for us to bring around this first dirt box. And for me it's like taking a lot of stress off me, anxiety. If I get a bit depressed, I'll just come out and eat what's in the box. But end of the day, I just love it. As I say, it was my first year, and as long as I'm here I'll be doing it and grow pumpkins, and you know, there's plenty of space around where I can do it, or kumu or don't matter, zucchini.
We had a māra project from probably August 2020, and we were just delighted to get support from Kōanga Kai so that we could literally grow our project, and so that's what we did. So with Kōanga Kai and with our navigators and primarily with our kai mahi pool, we created a sustainable resource, I think, for whānau.
We felt Māori in them being Māori, so we were offered a spaced out wood end from Ngaio and Andy, because Ngaio's partner passed away last year, a couple of years ago, and he had an old garden there. So we came in and gave it a bit of life with just by weeding it out and digging it all up and just planting our kai and stuff like that.
To us as a whānau, it means everything. I said that was my dad's pride and joy. He was a really, really busy man and didn't have a lot of time at home, so when he did, that was where we always found him, and he just wanted to make sure that everybody had kai, and to see the fact that after 3 years of sitting doing nothing, that it's regenerating and re-gifting the same thing that he gifted is, to us as a whānau, just wonderful.
Paul's all good with that, and he's pretty cool. Like, he's learning a lot himself, but he's teaching me about growing a kai, the phases of the moon, and you know, and maybe stars and whatever, and you know.
Just looking for that other knowledge. I'm not shy to take in other people's ideas, and to if it fits with my way of thinking, then I'll go with that.
At the end of the day, I love this stuff, and it will continue and grow.
Yeah. We wanted to ensure that they were well resourced and could sustain themselves and have rangatiratanga over their own patch of land. So Paul has supported the Manaaki Garden so we can give the kai directly to whānau, and he's also worked with whānau directly so that they can grow their own māra and sustain themselves.